More than 1/3 of U.S. adults are obese. That is according to the CDC. Now the FDA has approved a new device in hopes of curbing those numbers. It is a manual pump that drains food from your stomach. But is something like this even safe? 7 Eyewitness News reporter Sarah Johnson finds out.
It's a medical device recently approved by the FDA, a surgically placed tube used to treat obesity, a tube that allows users to drain portions of the stomach's contents after every meal.
When the lever is rotated, stomach contents begin to empty into the toilet.
A process repeated 30 minutes after each meal, lasting nearly 10 minutes. Its creators say the Aspire Assist is intended to aid in weight loss for patients older than 22 with a BMI of 35 to 55, which is considered obese. According to the FDA, clinical studies have proven successful, with patients in one-year clinical trials shedding an average of 12.1% of their weight. But a local dietitian says the procedure may not be the best solution.
And my view is, yes, a lot of time and a lot of research and a lot of good people have gone into putting this together, but at the same time, it doesn't really address the root of the obesity epidemic. 90% of our country is pre-diabetic and doesn't know it.
Buffalo-based dietitian Tricia Sauer says the latest weight loss device acts as a Band-Aid, a temporary fix for a multifaceted issue.
I think people jump into extremes so quickly because they can't wait for the outcomes that come through moderation.
She says when you factor in time, price, risk of infection, and the device's overall practicality, it may do more harm than good. Sauer says to first explore the possibility of underlying issues such as thyroid or insulin before taking any invasive approaches. And this device is currently being used in Europe, and its creators are working with doctors here in the United States to make it available. No word on how much the device could cost. Sierra Johnson, 7 Eyewitness News.